guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be trying out this wig that I got from my local beauty supply store. It is called Vanessa. The style is Dolia. So yes, I got this from my local beauty supply store, and it is not a lace wig. It was only $34.99, and $34.99. It comes in the color 1B, but they have other colors as well. They had this really cute fall looking color. It was like auburn, like a burgundy orangish color. I don't know, but it was like a fall color. It was really cute. But actually, it was something similar to what she has in her hair now. I think that was the color actually. And it was really cute, but I wear black a lot and I just love black, so I got black, but it was really cute. So that's what the wig looks like. It comes in these cute spiral curls. And like I mentioned, it is not a lace wig. It's just a regular wig, so you don't have to cut any lace or anything like that. It does have, adjustable straps in the back. It does not have any combs on it. So right now I'm just going to adjust the straps a little bit to fit my head. Now, I know when I put this wig on, it's going to look like some Annie curls or Shirley Temple type curls, because I tried it on in the store, that auburn color. Tried it on in the store. So yeah, just warning y'all. Okay, nope, that's too tight. I'm gonna loosen it some. So I'm gonna loosen it just a little bit, because I have locks, and I think I put on like 4 different caps. I forgot I even had the black one on, because I put that on at the hair store. You know, you gotta, when you try a wig on, you gotta pay for a 50-cent cap. I mean, yeah, 50-cent cap. So, I told y'all I was gonna look like Annie. I warned y'all. I warned y'all. I warned y'all. So this is how it looks. Now I am going to comb it out some so the hair can get really, really, really big. Really, 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 really big. So let's get started. So now I'm going to comb it out. This is how the side looks, the front, the other side, and the back. Very full, very spirally. So now I'm just going to comb these curls out some. We're going to fluff this wig on out. Fluff it on out. Just a little bit. Make these curls big. Not too much. Fluff them out just a little bit. Play with the curls. That's cute. I'm gonna comb the bottom out a little bit too. Just to stretch the curls a little bit. To fit my face some. So I'm gonna just keep playing with the curls until I get my, so I'm just gonna keep messing with the curls until I get my desired look. I'm looking over here because my mirror is over here. And I'm just gonna keep messing with the curls because I don't want to comb them out too much and mess up like the actual curl pattern. I don't want to do that. But I'm gonna just to my shaping. Pull some down. Nice. So I play with the hair a little. Fluff it out everywhere. Make the curls a little big. I think this wig is so cute. It's giving back in the day. And I love, love, love. I love, love, love. I think I need to put some earrings on though. I don't know, maybe some hoops or something, but I think it's cute. Tell me what y'all think in the comments below. Like, this wig is giving big time. I'll give y'all like a little side view. I hope I fluffed it out enough in the back. Let me kind of, yeah, I hope I fluffed it out enough. I don't want to mess with it too much because I can't see in the back, but it's definitely giving. I love it. And the curls is big. This is exactly what I was going for. Exactly what I was going for. So, yes. This is cute. Okay. This is cute. And then I kind of parted like this part just a little because I didn't like how it was giving like a straight little bang like that. Like, I don't know. I wasn't liking it. But I like how I parted it a little bit. And it's so cute. And I think if I put some earrings on, that's going to touch the look up a little bit. I think this is so cute. I'm thinking, should I put some eyeliner on? No, I kind of want to put a red lip on. I don't know. I feel like a red lip would do this hair justice. Let me put a red lip on. Hold on. Okay, so the red lip is giving exactly what it's supposed to give. I love, 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 love this hairstyle. I'm in love. I probably will wear this for a very long time. And honestly, I might go back for that other color as well and switch it up from time to time with the other color because I really do like this. So yes, this is the Dahlia wig Vanessa, and it was looking a little rough in the beginning. It was giving Annie, but we turned her out. We got her all the way together. And I love this wig. I'm so in love. Let me know if you guys want to see the other color. If you do, I'll go back and purchase that one. And I'll style that one as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And stay tuned for my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.